The family has taken the freshly picked beetroot home. Eli and Raphael are getting ready to make something special. Cook's hats and aprons on.
I'm the chef. I'm beetroot, so I'm the chef.
You?
No, I'm the chef.
Why don't you both be chefs?
Right, are we all ready, chefs?
Yeah!
So, chefs, what dish are you going to make with the beetroot?
Beetroot chocolate brownies!
Beetroot chocolate brownies? Oh, I hope you know the recipe. Mum helps with the peeling and chopping.
Yay!
Look at that. Wow.
Don't touch me, please.
You've got purple beetroot juice all over your hands, boys.
No touching, okay?
Okay. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, don't touch. I'm holding you. Oh, you touch. I'm Mummy. Yeah. No touching.